Hey everybody, Snyk's The Big Fix is back. Last year, hundreds of you from around the world came together to make the internet more secure through a month of fixing vulnerabilities in open source projects. The Big Fix starts Tuesday, February 14th and runs for an entire month, wrapping up on March 14th. Right in the middle, on February 28th, we'll be hosting a 24-hour global fix-a-thon live stream full of amazing speakers and educational content. Thousands of vulnerabilities were fixed last year, and this year we can't wait to do even more, but we can't do it without your help. Regardless of your seniority or experience, you can be part of Snyk's The Big Fix and make software safer for everyone. All the details you need are available at our website, which we'll have here. So go read that, and then you'll be able to hit the ground running on day one. Also, be sure to join us on the DevSecOps community Discord server, so you can connect with us before, during, and stick around after the event. We can't wait to see how many fixes you are going to crush this year. Happy vulnerability hunting, everybody.